Hey everybody. All right. Today's video about PHPStorm is something pretty important, and that is backing up our MySQL databases. A lot of times we get a lot of data online, user input, management input, different kind of inputs that all happen online. So our job is to make sure that that database is backed up. So here is a database that I want to back up in PHPStorm. Inside the database, there are numerous tables in here that I want backed up. I could back each one of these tables up individually, one at a time, if I needed to or wanted to. But in this particular case, what I want to do is back up the entire database itself. So this is how we do it. We go to the database and we right click on the database, and then we select export to data file. Later we'll want to import data from file if we need to, but for now we want to export data to file. And it's very important that you understand that when you're backing this up, you can use different formats here. I'm just going to tell you the format that I use, which is SQL inserts, but there's two of them here: SQL inserts with add table definition. We're going to back those up. So now I've already selected a folder here, and actually I've already backed this up. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. We're going to hit export to file, and I'll be back in just a second to show you what we got. Okay, so here's the result of our backup. We've backed up the entire database, and it's backed up all of our tables into individual SQL files. And here's the items table, and I'll show you what that looks like. Inside, we have a create table statement, which this way, if something happens to your table and it gets corrupt, you have this backed up, and it's the whole create table structure. So you can create it first because there's a lot of fields in here. So you're creating it, and look at all the work that you had to do to go in there. It'd take you a pretty long time to go figure out all these different fields that you need to insert into. Anyway, this is what I was looking for: create table. So if something happens, I can create the table, and then here's all the data, insert into. So I just run this entire SQL statement here, and it'll create the table. As soon as it creates the table, it'll put all the data back in, and then we're back to where we were, which is in good standings with the boss. So that's how you back it up using PHPStorm. Thanks for watching.